In this video, I'll show you how to properly compare contractor quotes for a renovation project. The first step is creating the contractors in the contact section. This is where we store all the professionals involved in our renovation project. Next, we go to the project and open the quotes section. This is where we create and manage all the quote requests for the project. In this example, we want a request from a plumber. So first we select the plumber, then we'll choose all the items that are related to the plumber. It's very important here to ask every plumber to quote the exact same items. Only this way you can properly compare quotes, apples to apples. Once the quote request is ready, we can export it to a PDF file and then to send it to the contractor. If the contractor is using Renodu, they can respond directly in the system, but we'll show that in another video. Here we can see all the items with the title, description, quantity, service type and photos. When the contractor sends back their quote based on the items, we can enter that information into the system. There are two ways to do it. First, you can enter the prices manually, or simply you can just upload the quote file. In this case, I will just upload the quote that I have to the system. It's very important to ask the contractors for estimated timeline. This is a key detail that many people forget to request. After a few moments, the system matches the items from the quote with the project items. We review it and confirm that everything looks correct. We will apply it to the quote, and then we don't have to do it manually and enter the price of each item. We'll go to the bottom, we'll save the manual quote. Here we can review the quote, we see all the prices, the work days, the project, and when we'll go back, after adding multiple contractors quote, we can easily compare pricing and timelines. This gives us much clearer picture when choosing the right contractor. In this example, I will select the contractor that offers the best combination of price and timeline. Then I decline the other quotes so everything stays organized. Structuring quotes this way makes it much easier to compare contractors, and it helps you make better renovation decisions. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.